Diwali, the festival of lights. It celebrates the triumph of good over evil, joy over despair, light over darkness. In true essence, Diwali is a story of every individual to celebrate the victory of positive forces over negative forces or darkness.
Happy Diwali, all of you.
Friends, good evening. This is a lovely and extraordinary evening. Why so? Because this is a Diwali evening, so wish you all a very, very happy Diwali. What am I doing here, or where are we going? Okay, so I'm in Dubai, and we are going to see the Diwali, how Diwali gets celebrated in Dubai. I had at some point a lot of my friends from India asked me this question like, do you celebrate Diwali in Dubai, or how does Diwali look like in Dubai? So I'm not going to answer the question. Stay with me, stay tuned. We'll straight go to the places where we celebrate Diwali in Dubai, and I'll show you how Diwali looks like in Dubai. Right now I'm on Sheikh Zayed Road, going to the place called Karama, so just have a look. In the meantime, let me share with you the tales of Diwali. It is linked to Ramayana that celebrates reunion of Lord Ram and Sita. After 14 years, Ram and Sita came back to Ayodhya. Millions of oil lamps were spread out across the city to welcome them. Again, this signifies victory of good, which Lord Ram stands for, over evil or darkness. Lighting oil lamps is one of the ways Diwali is celebrated. This is Karama and Mankhul area, which is probably the most Indianized pocket of Dubai. Look at all the buildings. People have decorated their house with the colorful light. The celebration is on the rise. People are all out on the street. Here, a big shout out to Dubai police. The streets are full of traffic and people are on the street, but the way Dubai police manages the crowd and at the same time respecting the festive sentiment is incredible. Thank you.
So I'm here in the Dubai street. I don't know how much you can hear me. Look at the crowd behind me. It's all out on Diwali evening. Crowded, but it's all happy feeling. The vibe is really good. So you can go and talk to anyone and wish them happy Diwali.
Here we must thank Dubai government, or so to say the government of UAE, to welcome people across the world with open arms and making us feel this place as our home. At the same time, my personal opinion is to avoid crackers that makes lot of noise. It is a festival of lights, so let us enjoy the lights.
So imagine I'm
I'm walking across the road. It's full of traffic now. It's full of people. Look at these buildings, all lit up. It's a wonderful vibe, but the point is that it's a lot of traffic. I forgot where did I put my cars actually, but yeah, I don't mind because all the happy people around, so you can go and you can talk to anyone and wish them happy Diwali. Happy Diwali, all of you.